In this modulation chapter, the second section, that is, we will be able to know the frequency spectrum of signals and different frequency signals used in communication systems that are shown in the figure. To know the radio frequency spectrum, we have to know the signals characteristics. The frequency of signal is defined as number of cycles per second, that is cycles per second. It is measured in hertz. In communication system, information is sent by different signals with different frequencies. As shown in the frequency spectrum diagram, it consisting of VLF, very low frequency, medium frequency, high frequency, very high frequency, ultra high frequency, super high frequency, extra high frequency, infrared, visible lights. This is about the frequency spectrum diagram. Range of frequency, wavelength. Here class, low frequency, very low frequency, 10 kHz to 30 kHz. Its wavelength is 3 into 10 power 4 to 10 power 4 meters. Low frequency, LF, 30 kHz to 300 kHz, 10 power 4 to 10 cube meters. That is the wavelength. And medium frequency, MF, 300 kHz to 3 MHz, 10 cube to 10 square meters. High frequency, HF, 3 MHz to 30 MHz and 10 square to 10 meters. Ultra high frequency, 10 MHz to 300 MHz, 10 meters to 1 meter. Microwave frequency, about 300 MHz, below 1 meter. Once again, it is low frequency range. Low frequency LF, 30 kHz to 300 kHz. Medium frequency, 300 kHz to 3 MHz. High frequency, 3 MHz to 30 MHz. Ultra high frequency, 30 MHz to 300 MHz. Microwave frequencies above 300 MHz. This is about the range of frequencies and wave. Use of frequencies 0 to 3 kHz, that is power wise, 3 kHz to 300 GHz, radio communication, radio, microwave and satellite communications between 3 kHz to 300 GHz as shown in the frequency spectrum band. Infrared lights, ultraviolet rays, X, gamma, cosmic rays. These are visible lights 430 to 750 terahertz. In radio communication, we have classified into different frequencies that are VLF, LF, very low frequency and low frequency. The type of propagation as shown in the figure, that is surface wave propagation. Medium wave frequency, tropospheric propagation as shown in figure, and HF, high frequency wave, high frequency is come under ionospheric propagation. VHF and UHF, very high frequency and ultra high frequencies are propagated through line of sight propagation. And SHF and EHF are space wave propagation. These are the classifications of propagations which are used in radio communication systems. Now, frequency bands and application. Frequency band. The bands we know: VLF, LF, MF, HF, VHF, UHF, SHF and EHF. We know the range of frequencies and propagations. Now, what are the applications from these frequencies? VLF, very low frequencies, that application is long range radio navigation. The second, LF is radio beacon and navigation locators. The third one, that is medium wave frequency, is AM radio broadcasting. And HF, high frequency, 3 to 30 megahertz, that is skywave propagation, ship and aircraft communications, that is citizen band. We know citizen band is ship and aircraft communications. Next one is VHF, very high frequency, 30 to 300 megahertz, skywave line of sight propagation. It is FM radio, VHF TVs. And UHF, ultra high frequency, 300 megahertz to 3 gigahertz, line of sight, ultra high frequency, cellular phones, paging and satellite applications. 3 to 30 gigahertz is SHF frequency, super high frequency, propagated through line of sight. This is used for satellite communication. And EHF, extra high frequency, 3 to 30 gigahertz, it is propagated through line of sight propagation, and long range radio navigation is the application of SHF. Now the VLF band is 3 kilohertz to 30 kilohertz. See the frequency ranges and their applications. That is one, VLF, very low frequency, 3 kilohertz to 30 kilohertz, that is long range radio navigation application. And LF, low frequency, 30 kilohertz to 300 kilohertz is the range, that is long range radio navigation. MF, medium wave frequency, that is 300 kilohertz to 3 megahertz, AM radio broadcasting. 530 to 1700 kilohertz is the AM radio broadcasting band. HF, high frequency, that is 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz, CB radios. VHF, very high frequency, that is 3 megahertz to 300 megahertz, for the application of TV channels, FM and aircraft channels from TV 7 to 30, that is 174 to 216 megahertz. Ultra high frequency and mobile communication, 300 megahertz to 3 gigahertz, UHF TV and cellular radio, paging and microwave applications. These very low frequencies and low frequencies are referred to as long wave, where length being comparatively longer. High frequencies are called short waves. The medium wave range used for broadcasting purpose lies between 500 kHz to 1600 kHz and is known as broadcasting band in radio communication. We have wireless transmission waves, that is, wireless transmissions are radio waves, microwaves, infrared. These are the wireless transmissions. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves are the wireless transmission waves.